Okay, I'm a bit bored today, so we're going to make a little bit of a art piece with some new wood that I got in the trailer. Let's go. We got some of this wood. It's really just like scraps and 2x4s, but we're gonna carry this, we're gonna carry some of this down to the wood shop, and then we're gonna find out an idea of what we want to build. Okay, so I laid out some of these pieces, and basically what you can see is they all have like little angles on them, and I'm thinking if you like put them in a circle and have like flashing out beams, it would look really cool. So I'm gonna see if I can put them together and see what it looks like. So it looks good. I'm gonna trim up these a bit, I'm gonna cut it down to about there. So I gave that a bit of an angle. I'm gonna cut them and we're gonna see what it looks like. So I trimmed those up and it's looking really good. I'm gonna search around the shop, might use that a bit. I'm gonna just make a lot more of those pieces. Alright guys, so I finished up cutting a few. This is what it looks like right now. It's gonna look really good, I have a feeling. I don't know, I might stain it or I might just leave it how it is. Because if I stain it, then it'll go good with my shelf that I made. But I don't know, if you guys can comment down below, give me some ideas. But for now, today, we're done in the shop. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This video will be on my TikTok page and my YouTube page. So go follow those. I'm gonna start posting a lot more woodworking stuff. I got a video coming up. It's a pretty big build. I think you guys will be excited for it. So thank you again for watching and have a good day.